Okay, before I stab this thing in the motor, take a quick look. I'm lubing it up right now. I'm looking at the lobes to inspect it. Make sure none of them are wiped out, so they're all good. The oil system in this motor is pretty good for making the parts last. Okay, lube up the bearings, lube up the lobes, and stab it in. Okay, camshaft's all lubed up. I got the lobes and the bearing surfaces greased up. Time to stab it in. I don't have a camshaft installation tool per se, so I'm going to show you an alternative to that. As you can see, I have one bolt in there. This is one of the bolts that hold the timing chain gear onto the cam. So you need one directly opposite of the pin. The pin lines up the gear. You need that pin directly opposite of the bolt. And this is going to be my camshaft installation tool, a clawed hammer. You need the claw. The claw is going to grab the bolt. The pin is going to sit right here. It'll keep it from twisting. And then you'll see. So I got the pin right here. I have it standing up vertical. I'm going to pick it up, change it to horizontal, and then put it in the motor. And I'm doing this one-handed, so as you can see, I got full control of the camshaft to put it into the motor. That's how I'm grabbing it. You just work your way in, feel your way. You got complete control of it. There you go. Bingo. Piece of cake. Next is the timing chain. Hey people, Pranksman here. I'm doing a short video on putting in the timing chain. As you can see, it's already in. Okay, let's get to it. Got the camshaft timing chain gear all cleaned up, ready to go. Before I put the timing chain on, I got it soaking in oil, and I'm going to heat it up. Make sure that oil gets in every little nook and cranny. So I have my torch ready. I'm going to heat up the can. In case you're wondering, me heating it up is kind of extreme. Normally I would just put it on there and be done with it, but I want to make sure that chain has every chance it can have for it to last, since that's the reason why I had to tear down the motor. Okay, take a look, see. That 30 weight oil is thinner than water. Definitely getting into every little nook and cranny of that chain. Let that cool down and I'll put it on. Take a look at it while it's cooling down. It's still hot. You can see the oil still hot. It's still like water. So yeah, change the color on it. It was a shiny gray. Now it's a dark gray. Notice the paint on the bolt. Okay, I gotta get the sucker there. I gotta get the sucker on there. Okay, the lines are lined up. Using this mark on the engine block. Line up with the crank and the camshaft. Tighten down to 18. That's a good. Red paint. Okay. Okay, that's it for the video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, man. Bye.